Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to change a hotspot name on Android. If you're using any Android phone and you want to change your hotspot name, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to open your settings app and here just go for connections and here you just have to look for hotspot, just tap on it and then just tap on it option and here you can really change your hotspot name or password. Here just tap on it and here you must have to remove the first which have entered and here you just have to enter the new name which you want. Let's say I'm going to enter this one, just enter the name and here your password. I'm going to enter randomly this, just enter the password and tap to save. Once you have your hotspot name and password will be changed. So in this way you can easily change your hotspot name on any Android phone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.